So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is another study vlog of me trying to study maths for class 11th. Oh my god, because yes, I have been trying to do that since so long. लेकिन आज finally I sat and I completed the whole lecture. First of all, I started with the basic maths lecture of MR sir and then Alak sir. लेकिन I found out it is for droppers and I am not able to understand many points nicely. So I just went to the Sachin sir का 3 hour वाला लेक्चर जो रिसेंटली उन्होंने अभी PW फाउंडेशन चैनल पे लाइव किया था. After that, I just completed it, and yes, then I started revising class 9th physics. So this is it for the study log, and now some important things for the new 10th graders. Bhai, to the all new 10th graders, I'm telling you one thing. Starting of 10th grade, your adrenaline and your motivation, everything will be on peak that you'll do good. लेकिन जैसे जैसे टाइम निकलेगा एंड जैसे जैसे you'll reach the summer break के बाद तुम लोग बहुत चिल हो जाओगे. सो इफ़ यू आर एक्चुअली वॉन्टिंग टू डू समथिंग वेरी सिंसियरली देन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. मुझको जब ईयर एंड में हम लोगों की मैराथन सेशन स्टार्ट हुई थी देन आई वॉज लाइक कि भाई दिस वॉज सो ईजी, आई कुड हैव डन फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग, बट नो आई डिडंट एंड आई मेस्ड अप इन माई हाफ ईयरली, आई मेस्ड अप इन माई PA1, so I messed up, and like later on I realized that I could have done this as like a better version of myself in a better way, but I wasn't able to do this. So this is one tip for the 10th graders, that you can start early, and if you do start early you're gonna get a lot of things. You will be self satisfied with the marks you get, because 10th is very easy and in 11th the jump is gonna be far higher. And another thing is that at the end of the year, please do not depend on the lectures, do not depend on the marathon and paper league sessions, because अगर एक भी question match करता है in the board set, they just start saying that paper leak, but okay, that is not paper leak, it was not going to help you. So this is one advice, that do not rely on paper leak things. Do not at all rely on all of that, because देखो जितना ज़्यादा आप उस पर रिलाई करोगे ना उतना ज़्यादा मतलब यूल बी लाइक कि हो जाएगा बट नहीं होने वाला है. सो वन टिप इज़ दिस, दैट स्टडी फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग. इवन इफ़ यू गो स्लो, 3 महीने में तुम्हारा 10th का सिलेबस ख़त्म हो सकता है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना से दैट दिस इज़ नॉट टू डिफेम और हेट एनी टीचर, बिकॉज दे रियली डिड हेल्प. अलग सर के lectures of marathons, it was really helpful. Then the grad sir for SSC, so it was all very helpful. I'm not saying do not attend, you can attend, but do not rely कि मैं तो पढ़ूंगी ही नहीं, and then I'll just cover it at the end of the year, because that's not gonna happen. So I hope you guys get my points, and that's it for today's video. Thank you all.